You good? Right.
Here we go, brand new chair for a brand new season. And this is the first assembly of it. There's a lot of oh God, there's a lot of poles there, mate.
I'm actually slightly concerned.
How is this going to go?
Well, that must do that bit.
Lovely.
That must go into that.
And then what else have we got?
It's got to be right.
I hope you don't fall through this. It'd be funny to see, but here we go. Here's the real challenge. How does he get this bit on?
Presumably that's the front.
What are your flaps for, mate?
I'm guessing that it's actually that way round. So now just so that's. I can go either way actually. So
Can he do this first attempt?
that has speared myself on this end.
He has impaled himself.
That must go on. Alright. That's gone well.
So far he's a minute and a half in and he still hasn't got the cover on.
Because in my mind that's an actual curvature, but it can't be because the flap's that way around.
So it can only go one way.
Yeah.
If I were you, mate, I'd put the label bit at the top.
Right, I'll do that.
Good morning, everybody.
A
very warm welcome to day 2 here at Snetterton as we get set for
It's a no from me, Jeff.
A day of action here for the third weekend of the 2023 Quick Fit British Touring Car Championship. Thanks ever so much for joining us here. It's great to see so many of you coming into the circuit and getting your spots trackside so early.
Oh, he could be onto a winner here.
Beautiful weather lined up here. We've got some fantastic.
The real test will be when he actually sits on it for the first time.
And 3 British
It must work.
Based on qualifying yesterday, looked set to be crackers. We've got really enticing championship starting to develop. And as ever in the BTCC, it's going to be hard to predict when we get to the end of the season just which of the drivers are going to be involved in the championship.
He's now disassembled it more than he had it.
They've given over partly to practice qualifying sessions, but we did have 4 races yesterday as well. We had another elongated British Touring Car Championship qualifying.
I'm quite glad that you haven't managed to do it first time. That brings me quite a lot of pleasure.
With fluid and oil being put down onto the circuit after a problem down at Cora Curve with Nick Halstead.
Here we go.
So the session was stopped fairly early.
We're getting close.
Then cleaned up, and then
Now, can he get it in the hole?
Tyre stack and an off yesterday, and that caused another red flag.
Might it be an idea to turn it upside down, mate?
This weekend, we've only got 1 lap in at that time, and
Nope.
because he caused the red flag, that lap was taken away from you. Your best lap gets taken away from you. But it's an empty lap, so
What are the odds on him breaking it now?
on the British Championship League with work to do, but with a very quick car, separating UK.
No, no.
We're absolutely flying all the way through free practice. And it was one of his teammates, Ash Sutton, 3-time champion, that scored his first pole position.
Pausing for thought.
The 2021 season in the Ford Focus.
Oh no, no, it obviously isn't right, is it?
First race today ahead of the current champion Tom Ingram with Colin Turkington, who was twice a race winner here last year, full-time champion, 3rd on the grid. So a really enticing prospect for the first race of the day for the tour.
It is brilliant content, mate.
11:25 because we'll have all 3 of our champions taking the first.
At least you've already won a point today on the cup of tea.
Just a quick notice to read out before we get into the introduction.
It's quite a hollow victory.
Could Jeffrey Richardson please come to the venue office as soon as
Would you like me to have a go?
Jeffrey Richardson, please could you come to the venue office? You're needed there, and the venue office, just so you know, is at the end of the garage, closest towards turn 1. So you carry on up the garage the paddock and head towards the circuit office at the top there,
Yeah.
closest to the podium.
Netting, so you've got the pockets.
Yeah.
Why is this bit?
Stand there, would you like to see you please? That's Jeffrey Richardson.
Ah.
Right, the first cars.
Oh,
of the day are
progress.
on the grid. Not yet got a race programme, which is absolutely worth getting one.
Oh, top end's come off.
What's going on this week? Full colour programme, which is about 60 pages long. Gives the entry list, gives the timetable, gives you spotters guide, you know, that you're looking for out on track, details.
We're up to 5 minutes now.
On various championships, races.
Easy assemble, was it, mate, on the instructions? Has it got any instructions?
Online, yeah.
Okay.
Touring Car Championship. We're coming up in the lunch break at 12:45. The pit lane will be about an autograph section where all the touring car drivers will be in the pit lane.
I think this has gone too long to be a short now, mate.
Open to everybody. They'll all be there.
We might go for a fully fledged video here.
And have a chat with the staff.
My seat, however, up nice and easily.
So
Set out.
first race today
Nadia's
is the
all done fine.
Cup weekend, their second race of the weekend. They have 3 13-minute races. After this, 10
Resorting to the internet now.
15 and 10 o'clock.
The internet knows all.
Great Britain were their second race of 3 this weekend, and likewise the Virtue Mini Challenge drivers in the JCW category at 10:35 will have their second of 3 races this weekend. 11:25 is the first of 3 races for the touring cars.
On this video, mate, do you want me to edit in the SpongeBob 1 hour later?
F4 British Championship before we head to the lunch break. Right, let's just do a quick introduction then, so you know who you're listening to today. My name's Chris Hartley. Good morning from me up in the commentary box, and as ever, down in the pit lane, overseeing the podium procedures, and also...
I think you were more right with taking those out the bottom and plugging it in.
Good morning, Chris. Good morning, everybody. Basking in the sunshine, I think, is the best way to describe this weekend. So we used to come to Snetterton in August, and every year it was very, very warm, and drivers had paddling pools at the back of the cars.
No, that one's not
To
in.
stay as cool as possible in between the races, and we wondered what the weather
Would you like to
May.
film?
It's just as lovely. We had a gorgeous day yesterday. We've got sunshine beating down on the
I feel sorry for
we
you,
are
yeah?
we're having prospect a brilliant day.
I reckon that's it, isn't it?
Absolutely right. Thanks very much, Al. So, if you want to turn to page 46,
No, it can't be right.
programs, that's where you'll find the entry list for the Radical Cup UK. It is also where there's space to write in the grid.
Where is
the way
it?
this works is there are 2 different categories.
That could be
First
closer.
time back
No, I
to
pushed
the
it
thing
down.
on the sofa package.
Sit in it and try
It's
it.
their 3rd weekend of the season, but 2 different types of car, 2 classes. There are the more powerful, more modern SR3s, which are 232 brake horsepower.
No, you're gonna bend that.
16 valve, that can have a 1340 or a 1500 star release.
I've now intervened and put it together for him. Is that more comfortable, sir? No? Okay, lovely.